Imagine a world where you never have to choose between professional cinema quality and the freedom of flying without a license. For years, the sub-250-gram category was seen as the beginner's bracket. It was a fun toy. It was a stepping stone. But today, everything we thought we knew about small drones is being completely shattered. Welcome back to Tap Tech. If you've been holding off on buying a new drone, you're in the right place. Maybe you're currently rocking a Mini 4. Maybe you even picked up the recently released Mini 5 Pro. Whatever you are flying, you need to stop exactly what you are doing right now. The leaks we are seeing for the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro are not just incremental updates. They are a total hostile takeover of the professional drone market. We're talking about hardware that was, until this very moment, physically impossible to fit into a palm-sized frame. The entire drone industry is currently in a state of shock. Why? Because the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to be the first sub-250-gram drone to feature a true 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor paired with a mechanical variable aperture. Let that sink in for a second. For the first time ever, pilots in the US, the UK, and across Europe will be able to fly a drone that easily bypasses strict registration laws. At the same time, it delivers the exact same dynamic range as the massive Mavic 3 series. In this deep dive, we are breaking down the authentic hardware leaks. We will look at the revolutionary O5 transmission system. We will explore the brand new AI-driven creative director. This feature is going to change the way you film forever. And the pricing strategy we have uncovered for the US market might just be the biggest surprise of them all. This is the drone that changes everything. The beating heart of the DJI Mini 6 Pro is its brand new sensor. Yes, the Mini 5 Pro brought us a 1-inch sensor, but it was limited by a fixed aperture. You were stuck with what you had. The Mini 6 Pro is reportedly smashing right through that barrier. According to reliable supply chain leaks coming straight out of Shenzhen, DJI has somehow managed to miniaturize the mechanical iris mechanism. We're looking at a true variable aperture. It ranges from f/1.7 all the way to f/11. Why does this matter so much? Let me explain. If you're a Part 107 pilot in the US or a high-end creator anywhere in the world, you know the absolute struggle of swapping ND filters. Every single time the sun peeks through the clouds, you have to bring the drone back. You have to land it. You have to change the tiny piece of glass on the camera. Then you launch again. It ruins the flow of your shoot. It wastes precious battery life. With the Mini 6 Pro, those days are over. You can finally control your exposure mid-flight. You simply use a dial on your controller to adjust the aperture as the lighting changes. This allows for that perfect, buttery, cinematic motion blur without the endless hassle. You never have to compromise your shutter speed again. This is not just a mini drone anymore. It is a flying cinema camera. Of course, a massive sensor needs a massive brain. The pure processing power required to handle professional video in a body this small is absolutely immense. DJI is expected to debut the Cine Core 4.0 image processing engine right inside the Mini 6 Pro. This powerhouse allows for an incredible 14 stops of dynamic range. That puts this tiny, foldable drone neck and neck with professional ground cameras. We're talking about cameras that cost thousands of dollars more. For those of you in premium markets who demand the absolute best color grading flexibility, the leaks are bringing even more great news. They confirm 10-bit DLG-M and HLG color profiles across all frame rates. You can shoot at 5.1K resolution at a silky, smooth 60 frames per second. This means your bright sunlight shots over the Grand Canyon will look perfect. The snowy peaks of the Swiss Alps will have perfect highlight retention. You will not blow out the bright spots. You will not lose the details in the shadows. That kind of visual data was previously only possible with drones twice the size and double the weight. Now, let us talk about the cutting-edge tech that is going to keep your hard-earned investments safe in the sky. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to take the LiDAR technology introduced in the previous generation and turn it all the way up to 11. We are looking at 360-degree nightscape LiDAR. Think about what that actually means. Most drones struggle with obstacle avoidance the exact moment the sun goes down. Their traditional vision sensors rely on light to see. In the dark, they get confused. They shut down. You are left flying blind. The Mini 6 Pro fixes this completely. It uses advanced laser-based sensing to literally see in total darkness. Imagine you're tracking a fast car through a dense forest at dusk. Or maybe you're navigating tight urban canyons in New York City at midnight. This drone creates a highly accurate, real-time 3D map of its surroundings using lasers. It bounces thousands of light pulses off trees, buildings, and wires every single second. It makes the drone virtually uncrashable. It works perfectly even in pitch-black environments where traditional vision sensors would fail and send your drone straight into a tree. This opens up entirely new worlds for night photography and cinematic city reveals. Speaking of busy urban environments, your control connection is everything. A lost signal means a lost drone. The brand new O5 transmission system is the headline feature for anyone living in high-interference areas. The leaks suggest that the Mini 6 Pro will utilize 5G cellular bonding right alongside the traditional radio frequency. This is massive. Normal drones just use radio waves. When you fly behind a building, those waves get blocked. Your screen goes black. With 5G cellular bonding, the drone can connect to local cell towers to stream its video back to your controller. It means that even if you're flying behind a giant skyscraper, your signal survives. Even if you're right in the middle of a dense, Wi-Fi heavy city center, your 1080p 60 frames per second live feed will remain rock solid. For the US audience and city flyers everywhere, this is an absolute game changer. It ensures long-range reliability and maximum safety. No more stuttering video feeds on your controller. No more signal lost heart attacks while your drone hovers out of sight. You will always know exactly what your camera sees. But how long can this powerhouse actually stay in the air? This is where the physics-defying part truly comes in. We have seen leaked images of a brand new high-density intelligent flight battery. Actually, we have seen two of them. The standard battery keeps you safely under that magic 249-gram legal limit. It gives you a very respectable 38 minutes of flight time. But the new Plus battery changes everything. If you don't mind pushing slightly over the 250-gram limit, the Plus battery is rumored to push flight times toward a staggering 60 minutes. An entire hour of flight time from a drone this incredibly small was a pipe dream just 2 years ago. Now, it is becoming a reality. Just imagine the sheer amount of time you will save. You won't have to constantly land. You won't have to swap batteries. You won't have to launch again every 20 minutes. You can stay in the air while you are frantically trying to catch that perfect golden hour light. You can capture entire events on a single charge. The onboard intelligence of this drone is also getting a massive pro-level upgrade. DJI is reportedly integrating a dedicated NPU, or neural processing unit. This chip is there to power what they are officially calling the AI Creative Director. Listen closely, because this is not just your basic active track. Active track just locks onto a car or a person and follows them. It is simple. This new NPU powers a highly advanced system that actually understands the rules of cinematography. You can simply tell the drone to film a cinematic reveal of a mountain peak. The AI will then take over entirely. It will instantly calculate the optimal flight path based on the wind and terrain. It will adjust the gimbal tilt smoothly. It will perfectly time the digital zoom to create a breathtaking shot. The final video will look exactly like it was filmed by a highly paid Hollywood crew. For solo creators out there, this is literally like having a professional cameraman stuffed into your backpack. It is no longer just about blindly following a subject. It is about understanding the art of the perfect shot. We also have to talk about vertical shooting. Vertical video has always been a staple of the Mini series, but the Mini 6 Pro takes it so much further. The new gimbal design is heavily rumored to allow for a massive 225-degree rotation. This enables true vertical shooting at brilliant 4K 60 frames per second. It does this by physically turning the camera sideways. There's no digital cropping whatsoever. You get the full resolution of that massive 1-inch sensor. But the redesigned gimbal also gives you even more tilt range. You can capture extreme, dramatic low-angle shots looking straight up at the sky or towering buildings. This makes it the ultimate tool for social media professionals in the US and the UK. If you need high-resolution, perfectly framed content for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, you can finally get it without sacrificing a single pixel of quality. It is a content creation machine. So, the big question remains, when can you actually get your hands on it? Based on DJI's traditional historical release cycles and the current manufacturing leaks coming out of the factories, we are looking at an official announcement in late 2026. The pricing strategy is expected to remain premium. However, it is incredibly competitive for what you are actually getting. We anticipate the base unit to start right around $899. If you want the full package, the Fly More combo, including the brilliant new RC3 controller with a built-in screen, should hit the $1,199 mark. Now, while that might seem a little steep for a mini drone, you have to remember what you're actually buying. You're not just buying a small beginner drone anymore. You're buying a Mavic 3 Pro that easily fits in your winter jacket pocket. And best of all, it doesn't require an annoying permit to fly in most recreational areas. The DJI Mini 6 Pro represents a massive turning point in drone history. It is the exact moment where the Mini tag completely stops being a description of its limited capabilities. Instead, it starts being a description of its ultimate convenience. With a 1-inch variable aperture sensor, a mind-blowing 60-minute battery life, and completely uncrashable night vision LiDAR safety, the competition isn't just falling behind. They're playing in a totally different league entirely. As an AI assisting you today, I have to give you my honest take on this incredible piece of technology. Looking at the sheer data and the evolution of consumer electronics, the leap from a fixed to a variable aperture in a sub-250-gram body is easily the most significant engineering feat here. It fundamentally bridges the gap between casual hobbyist gear and serious, professional filmmaking tools. You're getting absolutely zero compromises in a form factor that the law largely leaves alone. For independent creators, solo filmmakers, and travelers, this is the holy grail. If you're planning on buying the Mini 5 Pro right now, my sincere advice is to wait. Hold on to your money. The leap to the Mini 6 Pro is going to be the absolute biggest generational jump we have ever seen in the industry. If you found this deep dive helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe to Tap Tech and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We are constantly monitoring the global supply chain. We are digging through FCC filings to bring you the most authentic, up-to-date tech information before absolutely anyone else on YouTube. What leak feature are you most excited about? Is it that sweet variable aperture? Or are you dreaming about that massive 60-minute battery? Drop a comment down below and let's start a conversation. We read every single comment, and your feedback truly helps us bring you the tech news that actually matters. Don't forget to check out our other videos on the latest gear hitting the market this year. Share this video with your flying buddies, and I will see you in the next video when even more massive leaks drop.